Anybody and everybody kick that fucking elemental.
Well, I mean, if you can't kick it, just call it so we can help.
Like, we have a bunch of range kicks. If we're moving
Right side boat.
and the melee can't get to the boss of the elemental, like, anybody kick it. Just fucking 17 other people in the raid. Watch your feet.
Middle one's burned. Got the back one.
Watch that blast melee.
You couple of range. I'll have to come back to us. Spells. Spell read it.
Blast.
Spells.
Out.
Bubble.
Get in.
I hope you don't mind, Cole.
I'll leave the siege on the left, take him down. Oh. Thank you.
Watch blast.
Cleave this.
Left ballista. Kill it. Spells.
Literally, our last two pieces have been perfect, and it's one thing that just kills all of us. Watch your feet. Keep playing P3 like that. Just need to clean up two things. Siege breaker and kicks.
Spell.
Get out. Get in.
I will freeze you where you stand.
I'll slow down for you.
Yeah, please slow down on the boss.
Watch blast.
Storage raid. Chill on the boss, guys. She's low. Lens hasn't even started.
We might get fire here.
Drop your stacks if you need. Finish pushing the boss. Watch your feet. Safe. Get away from the boss.
Good Iris falls, and this boss to die. That's it.
You really think I've been running, Captain?
Let's do it again, guys. We got it. We got it. We 100% got this shit. Let's just do it.
No more siege breaker on me, P3, please.
Here. You have no
I'll gladly take it. On a lonk or something. I just.
Watch your feet. Stay together with
I'll
people.
pop
People
my ship
need
before I
heal
leave.
so bad there at the end, like it
I
fucks us
know.
if a healer gets hit.
Jake, watch that orb. Watch that orb. Keep dodging. Keep dodging. Finish dodging. Range, get these ice blocks.
We're not done yet. Right side out.
Kick boss.
Or we're done, I mean.
We got 3 ice blocks we need out quick. 4. Range, go hard on these ice blocks. Watch the ray.
Barrel.
How's that?
Somebody go with Tal. Somebody go with Tal.
I'm with him.
Okay?
Go in, I'm right here.
Finish barrel. Finish barrel. It's fine. Easily recoverable. Drop your stacks. Let's go. Need big damage on Jaina to make up for that. Follow boss. Icefall's gonna be near us. Broadsides quickly back in after dropping this barrel. Get back in, bait. Siege out. Move from Ray, don't get knocked back in.
I'm gonna get frozen.
Grab him.
tide moves against you.
That's 20.
Battle shot in for it. Get barrel low. Keep it
Zell
together.
innovate.
Really push boss here. Finish that barrel. Ice falls right by us, we're fine. Just go against the wall here after breaking barrel.
Parse.
Broadsides need to get out, please don't block us off.
Work me.
Drop your stacks. Drop your stacks. If you didn't, get out. Get out. Bait. I'm like 3% behind here. Push. Move.
Healers,
move.
help out healers. There's something else going on right now. Gate up. Broadside, you'll have to take the gate.
I hope you don't mind cold.
It's gonna be late broadside.
Take gate. Take gate. Take gate.
Cannons fire!
Ice wall's fine.
Fell.
Yeah,
Break the barrel. Break the barrel.
no, it's not. Still.
Arsenals.
Broadsides.
Oh shit.
Broadsides around me. Thank you very much.
Big heals, big
Break
heals, big
barrel,
heals.
Break barrel. Bait Ray. We need that barrel broke. Move from Ray. Move from Ray. Get out. Perfect positioning for wall here. I'll top us. Keep pushing.
Help out.
Augment-
Healers,
augment
healers, help
push
out.
boss.
Till these broadsides happen.
Just push past this ice wall.
It's safe anyways.
I will freeze you where you stand.
Big damage, boys. Big damage. Keep it together.
Had vendetta for this.
Good, good. Push, push, push. Help on wall. Everybody on wall. Everybody on wall. Run through. Perfect. Just pay attention, please. Siegebreaker, kill yourself. Heart of Frost out. Cancel Lust. Cancel Lust. Cancel Lust. Kick boss. Nova out with heart. Zell has heart. Stack tight here. Pay attention. Heart's out. I've soaked this orb. Soak this orb unless you have heart. Back behind the boss. Broadside's out.
Totem one.
So.
Let's Hal die.
Let Tal die. Let Tal die. Let Tal
Heart's
die.
out.
Ready, Bolt, Shrankar?
Heart, get out. Shrinker.
Totem.
Totem now. Shrankar. On your location.
Die on this
Totem.
sleeve. Bait, bait, bait. Everybody bait. Everybody bait. Left to Jaina. Watch your positioning. Move, 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 move. Hard move. Restack.
You can stay in the boss here if you're melee.
Yeah.
The gateway, if you have siege right next to us.
Parse comp shout. Parse comp shout.
Cleave.
Siege.
Watch cleave.
Siege, kill yourself. Siege, get out and kill yourself.
No
Ice
layers.
falls.
Ice balls are
Stay
safe.
here.
We're safe. We're safe.
Personal cooldowns, Hellstones. Matic Tide.
Tide, Barrett. Tide, Barrett.
Cocoon on Talzin now.
Cocoon on Talzin. Cocoon on Talzin.
Make sure someone has next kick.
Kick the ball. Yeah, kick the elemental. Keep the kick. Broadside's out. Side's out. Push the boss. Push the boss.
Yeah.
Come on.
Do it!
Fucking serious.
Look how fucking easy that is. Fucking easy that is. Only
I
three
agree.
people
Fucking
dead.
orange